Let's look at one of the key other IPOs that will be opening next week. Lotus Developers, a real estate firm, is making waves, backed by Bollywood stars like Shah Rukh Khan as well as Amitabh Bachchan and Ashish Kasholia as well. Now that is hitting the stock market on July 30th. My colleague Charu caught up with Sanjay Jain, CEO, and Anand Pandit, who's the MD of the company. Listen.
For the layman viewers and for the investors who are very excited about the IPO market in general also, what would you like to tell them about the company? So what is the company like, what does it do, and why is it important for the investors?
Lotus Developer is a Mumbai-based real estate company, and right now primary focus is in redevelopment of societies, where we take old societies as our project and construct very high-end luxury buildings. That's what our primary business is. And IPO is aimed to expand our business basically.
So talking about the funds that you will be raising through the IPO, how are you planning on using these funds? How are you planning on utilizing them for the company?
So we have 5 ongoing projects. So out of 792 crore, 550 crore will be utilized for 3 ongoing projects. One in the Warsaw, one in the Juhu, and one in the Bandra. So these 3 are the Amalfi, Arcadian, and Varun.
So you've listed 3 projects, and other 2 are in the pipeline right now?
So that is already under process, under construction. That is from our internal accrual.
All right. And is there a timeline when these projects will be completed?
So within 2.5 years.
Oh, that's wonderful. Yeah. Now, talking about the value of the company, you also raised funds through private placement last year, I think 8 months back. Yeah. So, if we look at the value since then, how do you feel about how it has, grown? Because there have been some articles also about it not, giving the right returns to the investors. But if you talk about it, how do you think it has grown, and how do you plan on taking it forward?
So, first of all, I would clarify all those investors who invested in private placement, which was in last December and September in 2 tranches. These are very long-term investors. They are not here to make buck out of it. That's one. Second, we want to welcome our new investors also, and our merchant banker also proposed that. And that is how we came with the valuation. And we consider that even our new investors, they are also at par with the old one also, and old one is just 6, 8, 7 months back only, and they are here to be with the company for a much longer time.
So it's a long-term investment. You're not worried about any short-term.
No. We are not a short-term kind of company even, and we are not looking for short-term kind of investors also. They have to grow with the company. And I'm sure that even the new set of investors who will be coming through IPO, they will be also part of our longer journey. Along with the company, they will also prosper.
If you had to quickly summarize what is there in it for the investors, why should they invest? Why should they be excited? What would you like to tell them?
This is a very, very unique company, and our model is very asset-light model. In which, and also we are operating in a very high-end market where we have got good profitability. Our debt is very, very controlled. We don't need to take much debt. And management also is very lean. And we finish our project much faster than typical real estate companies. So we are more like a product company rather than just a project company.
That's wonderful. Sir, if I ask you about it, would you like to tell us how, since you work in luxury units, how is a Mumbai buyer different from any other buyer? What is the unique thing about the Mumbai market?
So Mumbai buyer is the actual user. In the other area of the other countries, other state also, there is the investor. So in the Mumbai, most of the buyers are the actual user.
And it's what is the demand like?
More non-speculative market, I would say, because the pricing and product has moved in such a way in Mumbai that those investors has gone off. Earlier, like 20 years back or 15 years back, there were investors. But now this whole Mumbai market is a beautiful actual user market.
And what is the demand like for the product that you are giving out?
I mean, we are seeing growing demand, everyday growing demand, because luxury has become part of life now. Whatever product it may be car or watches or house or whatever, clothing or whatever, everyone wants to move in the pyramid upper side. So we have seen that demand is growing every day.